Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Volkswagen CC key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. This common coin cell battery is essential for your key fob's function. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. Let's get started with opening the key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should easily separate. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently use your screwdriver to pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming they are securely closed. Once reassembled, test your key fob's functions. Try locking and unlocking your car doors to ensure the new battery is working correctly. You've successfully changed your Volkswagen CC key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.